Hello YouTube, I'm back again with another unboxing video of this time the Etihad Boeing 787-9. So yeah, let's get started, but before that, let me give you some information about this aircraft and Etihad. So, this plane's first flight was on the 13th of June 2015. This was the 305th Boeing 787-9 to be made. Etihad Airways was founded on July 2003. There's no exact date, but yeah. Main hubs are at Abu Dhabi International Airport. They have a total of Boeing 787-9, and there are 34 on order. Their company slogan is "From Abu Dhabi to the World," and they are not part of any alliance. So yeah, let's look through the box real quick. Hold on, let me just take a look at this. Yeah, okay. So here we got the no, we won't do that. Boeing 787, as you can see, the aircraft, Etihad, with the Arabic writings for Etihad Airways, I think, or is it just Etihad? I'm not sure. But yeah, Etihad Airways registration A6BLE 1/400 scale Platinum Series. Bottom, Phoenix logo, Boeing 789, Etihad, the aircraft. Oh yeah, there's also a computer generated image on the front. So yeah, Etihad Airways registration, Phoenix, and some warnings. There we go. And yeah, this side, the heart of aviation, and their specifications, Phoenix logo. Okay, now let's take a look at the back. Limited edition, Arabic writings for Etihad Airways, registration, item number 11258. It's a Boeing official licensed product, and yeah, so you can read that. Yeah, so now let's take it out of the box real quick. Hold on. Okay. Very nice. As you can see here, 787-9. Okay, so the plastic thing is strapped up there, so very nice. Okay, now you guys can look at the front of the aircraft first, while I put the thing back in the box. Come on. Now, okay, okay, hold up. Okay. Okay, give me a few more seconds. It's back to there, and yeah, I can put this on this thing. We will start with the other side. Come on. isn't it focusing? Okay, I think this will do. So we got the cockpit windows and the front, just to show you that there is part of the registration right there. Please focus. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna zoom out and bring this in. It's focusing on the engines. Wow. And just do this. Maybe it will, cause okay, whatever. The front says E, which is part of the registration B-L, no, A6-BLE. So that's the E. Moving along. UAE flag, LE under the gear door. This is the UAE flag, United Arab Emirates. L1 door, and a lot of stuff there. Hold up, let me just see what these say. I hope I can see. Yeah, I totally have no idea what those say, but whatever. Etihad in Arabic, Etihad, they're like type of logo-ish thing. Their slogan right there, from Abu Dhabi to the world. Yeah, okay. L2. Moving along, the jagged engines at the rear door. That says Dreamliner, Etihad.com, A6-BLE, and the last door. This is in the new livery. So, okay, now let's take a look at the other side. Here's the same thing, just that with the cargo doors right there. Oh yeah, and this side is from Abu Dhabi to the world in Arabic. So gear doors, no, cargo doors right there. Okay, rear. I don't know if you can see that. Rear is like right there. There. So yeah. Okay, now let's take a look at the underneath of the aircraft. So this is the underneath of the aircraft. We have the gear nose, the front gear, which does roll very smoothly. Moving along. Etihad with part of the H covered with the gear doors. No, the whole 40 stand. The right landing gear, wing, and engines, which does roll. Left wing, engine, and landing gear. This one does roll too. Registration underneath the left wing, A6-BLE. Moving along. Antenna right there. Moving along like that. Now for the top. Moving down, antenna right there. You can see right there, Wi-Fi box, and the two rear antennas near the tail. So yeah, left wing. This one is very detailed, which I like. So the right wing and engine. Okay, now let me put this back and give you a spin around on the model itself. So we'll start with the side first, the right side, I believe. This is the right, the front. Just zoom out a bit. Tilt up. Move this back and tilt this out. Sorry about this. Okay. The left side. And the rear. Now let us put this on the stand. So yeah, this is it on the stand. This one fits perfectly right in for Phoenix's 787s. So yeah, this is the right side again, climbing front, the left side, the rear. Okay, now one thing I forgot to say, let's just put this aside. If you look on the engines, I hope it will focus, but I'm not sure. There we go. If you can see on the engines, that says F1 2015 Formula 1 Abu Dhabi Grand Prix. Yeah, that is the wording on the engines. It is on both sides. So yeah, that's basically what I wanted to say. Yeah, that's it. If you like this model, please give it a thumbs up. If you liked this review, give it a thumbs up. Please do subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.